So it's like 90 something currently, middle of the day. And I'm just thinking, only idiots or people with children decide to travel in the middle of summer. And I don't have children. I ended up getting the chocolate, which is definitely gonna melt. So, I mean, I know that this is like the city of spas. I bought bananas, and then this is the cashew butter that I'm gonna put. Oh, sorry. In. Okay, it's very late, so grab my stuff. That's literally what happens to me on vacation. Is like I don't figure out where I'm gonna go beforehand, so it like just takes me forever. So I have my hat. I think today, I might go to like this vintage store that my house guest person recommended, and then also the Terror Museum, so which I actually like to visit in each country because terror happens in every country. All right, let's go. Everything was just so hot. So being in Budapest is really about like managing, like finding shade and then going into the shade. So look, this is like an old style elevator. It's a bit creepy, and yes, the lady did say sometimes it stops. Here. Oh geez. And then you have to close the door. Sorry. Close that door. And then I think we're looking at 0. It does have a jolt. It's like, so then, let's see. So then you go out the other door. You come in this door. Oh, jeez. And you go out this door. And voila. Yeah, this building is just super, super old. So we have the Danube on this side. And then just lots and lots of tourists. So it's just, yeah, it's about finding shade. Yeah, all right. Dipping their feet into this, I don't know, it was like water in the middle of the park. So I don't know, maybe they do that, maybe it's chlorinated, I don't know. So I think did I ever make a vegan version of these for you? I think I did, but I'm not sure. Very well known. Yeah, the chimney cakes, a well-known thing in Hungary. No, absolutely not a sandstorm, but because it's gonna get into like the 90s. Well, thank you, Hungary. Am I gonna, oh, well, that stopped. Just looking. This is so useful. They have just like lockers that are here because so many places don't have them, and it's just like a pain. You have to get to, you know, like the train station or something, and if it's not along the route, then you have to go back to the train station. Hello. Oh, this is nice. This is like a little like kind of shopping area that's just like it was like a little cove, and it's nice because all the buildings around are so tall, so it just offers some shade, which is nice. So we're gonna go to the coffee shop. Postcard and coffee art design shop. Ooh, you can't see it. Oh my gosh. Look at the postcards. Oh, I wonder if those are like screen printed. Oh, that's really pretty. I know it's the wrong time to think of something like this because it's like 90 degrees out, but 20,000 forint. Hungarian cookbook, yes. So look, we have all of these chocolates that apparently, yeah, actually like vegan, maybe not certified vegan, but like that looks amazing. Love pistachio, but I really like the design. I'm definitely keeping this box. I ended up getting the chocolate, which is definitely gonna melt, and then also the cookbook too. It's been said before, nearly got run over by a bike. Oh, and I got a magnet. There. I would just go into like a souvenir shop, which I don't normally go into, but it should tell me like what are the souvenirs of Budapest. I know a lot of like hand-carved stuff are here. These dolls, which were definitely in the guide, they were like, get one of these dolls, and I'm like, no. Some of these painted eggs, but I thought maybe if I go to like a vintage shop, maybe I'll find like a hand done one. This is like the first souvenir shop that I've been in that I'm like, I like what I see. Oh my gosh, this one's so pretty. For your salt and your pepper, I totally get this. How much is that? 35. I don't know, you do the math. What is that, like 7 pounds? I love all of this. Just like a candle? Drink? I don't know. This is such a neat section. So Hungarian secret box. So they're not like, they don't open from here, but they're like secret boxes. I don't have a big luggage, so maybe like something small like this one. I feel like an idiot. Probably can't open it. Okay. Oh, so you push the bottom down. It is a secret box.
Yeah, it is. Can you find the bigger one?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, and this one goes.
Oh, okay.
Keyhole.
Yep. And then
we gotta find the key.
what? Oh, that's crazy.
We have the key here.
Okay, and then that opens. Oh, I love that. Okay, probably the same one with that one. Okay. Test that out. The key is here. So that's different from the larger ones. souvenir shop I've ever been to, or I mean, it could be this one as well, because like the things in there were actually pretty. Because you know, like souvenir shops, like from the outside, they just look ugly. It's like ugly keychains, ugly mugs, ugly pins. That one had like wooden things in it. I mean, I think maybe it's just like Budapest, Hungarian souvenir shops have really neat things in them. And I had heard about the secret box, and I kind of looked at it from on internet, and I was like, nah. And then I tried it, and I was like, I can't open it. So it's really neat. And it was funny because the shop owner was really nice. He was just like, yeah, sure, I'll show you. And then he could open the big one, but I think the smaller one, the mechanisms are a little bit different. But yeah, I think like if there was a souvenir that I'm gonna bring back, because I was too cheap to pay for luggage on Ryanair, I would get the box. Definitely get the box. All right, I'm gonna trip over something. But I wanted to go to several ones. I'm inside another souvenir shop. I actually really like Hungarian souvenir shops. Lol, I'm in like my fourth, maybe my fifth souvenir shop now. I love them here. Okay, so we've arrived at the Godstu Weekend Market. I think there's some vintage stuff here, but it's not going to be as big as the one that's kind of quite far out of the city. Yeah, because originally I had wanted to go to I think the Eschery market, but it's quite far out. It's super warm. I don't know, this one might not be that big though, because it had some like vintage cameras out in front, but a lot of the stuff that they also sell is like, it's more like crafts market, so it's not exactly, I don't know, like a vintage market. These are so interesting. They're like felted soaps, so it's like, they say that it lasts much longer than just a bar of soap, because it's kind of like, it's like a washcloth and soap in one thing.
These are fatted soap. The soap inside and wool outside. You just need to add water and you can use this like a sponge.
So you get the hot paprika, sweet paprika. You know, I don't love these tins. I think there would be like prettier ones. I'm not sure. I don't know. As if I didn't have enough vegan pastries yet, I knew that I needed to try a vegan chimney cake. I don't know if I've ever made one for you guys before, but I have made one, a couple before. This is a chain, but this is one of the chains that has a vegan version, so I thought that I would try one. I'm only probably gonna have a little bit, but I'm not sure if I should have like hazelnut, maybe poppy seed might be a nice option, because I definitely don't want chocolate. I don't want anything too heavy, because it's 93 now, so yeah. I have a couple of different options. I don't know if they're all, if you can make all of them vegan, so we can ask, but it smells really good. Hey, if I'm looking for a vegan chimney cake, what flavors can I get? Hi, if I'm looking for a vegan chimney cake, what flavors? All? All of them. Really? Okay. See all the dough. So they bake them over there. That one's really good. Thank you. Thank you. Card, please. Yeah, this thing is steaming hot. Like if you put your finger here, it like burns. And all around town you can see like there are like kids with just like bags of funnel cake. So yeah, I ended up getting the poppy seed one. It smells really nice. It smells very much of like a milk bread or like a brioche or something like that. I have no idea how much the extra topping was. They just had me pay it and I'm like, okay. So there's actually, I just looked at my card. It was $2.17. So I think in the UK, if you got something like this, it would easily be like 10 pounds. Maybe. Yeah, it would be expensive. So I'm gonna wait for this to cool down just a little bit because it's really hot. Okay. I found a table. Let's see. Move it like this. Okay. We're outside of the bubble tea shop, so here goes. It's poppy seeds and sugar too, which I guess is nicer because I was worried that it was just going to be poppy seeds. It's cute. There's a egg. So. Let's see. I'm not getting that much poppy seed because in the cake store before, when I tried the poppy seeds, it tasted very much like kind of like toasted black sesame, so it was like a really nutty aroma. This kind of just tastes like it's kind of like super fine sugar. It actually just tastes like the sugar, but in terms of the bread bit, it's nice. It is very much like a kind of like a crunchy brioche on the outside, and then on the inside it's just like, you know, brioche or like a milk bread. Same thing. It's really good. It's kind of like really fun to eat. And I think if you're here, like definitely give it a try because chimney cakes are really expensive, like outside of Hungary, I think. Mainly because they take a really long time to make too. There you go. You can see it's actually quite really nice milk bread brioche type texture. Oh, got a little sprinkle action. Alright, I'm just watching boats pass by, and this one seems really low to the water. Like it seems like it's packed full of people. Like maybe it's like a cheaper tour, but like if you compare it to like this one, it's not. But that one's about to sink. Yeah, when I first saw pictures of Budapest, I was like, oh, I might not like it. And I saw like how, you know, really wide the river was and how big the city looked. I thought it would not have like a good vibe to it, because sometimes like some European cities are really nice and they're really walkable, but usually like the really big ones, they're very, you know, like car heavy, and it felt like it would take a long time getting from one place to another. But actually it hasn't been. It's actually been a pretty like walkable city, other than for the heat. But yeah, now that the sun is going down, I'm actually like enjoying the bridge a bit.